Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of unevenly cooked food, pans that stick, and cookware that looks less than stellar in your kitchen? Today, we're diving deep into a piece that aims to solve all those problems and elevate your cooking experience, an 11.2-inch handmade pure copper frying pan. This isn't just any pan, it's presented as premium cookware for serious home chefs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, pure copper. The standout feature here is its superior heat conduction. Copper is renowned for its incredible ability to heat up quickly and, more importantly, evenly. This means no more hot spots where food burns while other parts remain undercooked. Whether you're aiming for that perfect sear on a steak, delicately sautéing vibrant vegetables, or achieving a flawless fried egg, the promise is consistent, perfectly cooked results every single time. This is a game changer for anyone who values precision in their cooking. Moving on to health and safety, which is a growing concern for many home cooks. This copper pan is proudly advertised as 100% chemical-free. It's free from those concerning acronyms like PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE. This means you can cook with absolute confidence, knowing that you're not introducing any harmful chemicals into your food. For those prioritizing a healthy lifestyle, this is a significant selling point. Now, let's appreciate the craftsmanship. This pan is not mass-produced. It's meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans. You can really feel that attention to detail. The beautiful golden finish isn't just for show, although it certainly adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. It transforms the cookware from a purely functional item into something that can be a stunning decorative piece. Owning something handmade often brings a unique sense of quality and a connection to tradition. In terms of practicality, this 11.2-inch pan offers a generous cooking surface, weighing in at 2.42 pounds, which feels substantial and well-built. It's designed to be versatile. It works beautifully with gas stoves and electric ceramic cooktops. However, it's crucial to note that it is not suitable for induction cooktops. The detachable wooden handle is a thoughtful touch, providing a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to maneuver around the stove and also simplifying storage. Now, for a topic that often causes a bit of debate, cleaning and maintenance. The manufacturer explicitly states that they don't recommend using the dishwasher, which is common for high-quality cookware. However, cleaning by hand with warm, soapy water and thorough drying is described as a breeze. To combat the natural tendency of copper to oxidize, a thin layer of vegetable oil is recommended before storage, along with keeping it in a dry place. The good news is that it comes with a cleaning scrubber, making it easy to remove any oxidation and keep that beautiful copper finish looking its best, almost like new. So, what are the pros and cons? The biggest pros are undeniably the exceptional heat conductivity for perfectly even cooking, the commitment to safe and healthy cooking by being chemical-free, and the undeniable beauty and quality of handmade craftsmanship. The versatility for gas and ceramic cooktops is also a plus. On the flip side, the primary con is its incompatibility with induction cooktops, which are becoming increasingly popular. The handmade nature, while a pro for quality, might also mean a higher price point. And, as with most high-end cookware, the hand-washing requirement, while straightforward, is still an extra step compared to tossing something in the dishwasher. The need for regular maintenance to prevent oxidation is also something to be mindful of. In conclusion, this 11.2-inch handmade pure copper frying pan is a premium product that delivers on its promises of superior cooking performance, health and safety, and beautiful aesthetics. If you're a passionate home cook who values quality, enjoys the art of cooking, and has compatible cooktops, this pan is a fantastic investment that will likely become a treasured part of your kitchen for years to come. Link in the description.